Very good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to start our next topic, which is based on verbs. Okay, you all know verbs which describes our actions. Okay, so they all are verbs. For example, going, eating, running, sleeping, walking. So, these all are action words which describes your activities, your tasks, that what are you doing currently. Okay, so the definition is verbs expresses action, being and possession. So verb expresses these three things: action, being and possession. We cannot form a sentence without a verb. हम verb के help के बिना कोई sentence भी form नहीं कर सकते. Okay, sometimes we use more than a word to form the sentence in a verb. कभी कभी sometimes it happens that we have to use more than a word to form the verb in a sentence. For example, Smita walks in the garden. So walks, again it is a verb given here. Now the next example is Smita is walking in the garden. Now is walking is a helping verb and walking is the main verb. So we have used two verbs in the sentences to complete it. Now the next is some verbs expresses actions. For example, go, sit, run, crawl, scream. सो कुछ वर्ब्स ऐसी होती हैं जो आपके एक्शंस को डिस्क्राइब करती हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ब्स बी टेल अस व्हाट अ पर्सन और अ थिंग इज. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल इज, आर, एम, वाज, वर, बीन एंड बीइंग. ये आपको क्या डिस्क्राइब करती है कि क्या व्हाट अ पर्सन और अ थिंग इज, कि क्या चीज़ है और कौन पर्सन है, उसके बारे में हम ये वर्ब का फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ब हैव, शो, possession or belonging. For example, you said this is, I have two books. Okay, so you are showing that the books belongs to you. Okay, so अगर आपकी कोई चीज़ है जिसे आप बताना चाहते हैं that it belongs to you or something, तो you have to use what form of verb, that is has, have and had. Okay, so these are the verbs which you can use for showing the belongingness of the things. Okay, for now the next is the verb be, have, do can be used both as main verbs or as helping verbs. You all know what a helping verb is. For example, is, am, are. So these are all come into the helping verbs. Okay, for example, she is a pretty girl, main verb. So is a main verb which is given in the red color in this sentence. Riya is going to school. So this is your again helping verb, is. Sam has a pet dog, main verb, has, क्योंकि Sam belonging बता रहा है that the pet belongs to him. Okay, now the next is Sam has completed his work, helping verb, has. That means he has completed his work. Has is a helping verb which is used here. I do my work very fast, main verb, do. He does not go to bed before 9 p.m, helping verb, again does is a helping verb. Now the next is complete each sentences choosing the correct verb from the strip. Okay, there's a blue strip given here. You have to complete the verb by choosing the words from it. Okay, there was a bathtub in the hotel room. Now the next is where have you kept my cap? Where are the keys to the house? How do magicians perform their tricks? Where does Shilpa live? How many students have paid the fee? Has Ruhi eaten all the foods? Eaten all the cookies? Now the next is Tara said, I was going to the market. There were too many buses on the road causing a traffic jam. I had to come back home. Now we are going to learn about the concept of subject, verb and agreement in the sentence. Subject, verb, agreement क्या होता है, that we are going to discuss here. The subject and the verb in a sentence must agree in a number. Look at the following graphical illustration. For example, it is given here, a worm wriggles in water. A worm, you all can see it is a subject which what action is he doing? Wriggles in water. So wriggles is a singular subject. Now worms, s we have used with the worms, so it is a plural subject और plural subject के साथ में हम plural verb का ही use करते हैं. Okay, for example, some of the rules are given here. Number one is if the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb should also be singular. Okay, the hen lays egg. So hen is a singular, again Now the first rule is, if the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb should also be singular. For example, the hen lays egg. So the hen is a singular here and lays egg. So lays is again singular. Okay, so the verb is also should also have to be singular. Rafiq is playing football. So Rafiq is a singular in sentence. Is playing is again singular verb. So you should take care of that. Okay, if the subject in a sentence is plural, the verb should also be plural. For example, hens lay eggs. Okay, so again you can see that the subject is hens in the sentence and verb is also plural, lay. Okay, with you and I always use a plural verb. You are happy today. हम you और I के साथ में क्या यूज़ करते हैं हमेशा? प्लूरल वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you are happy today. So R is also plural verb. You type with your eyes closed. Amazing. I swim very well. Okay. Now the next is, circle the subject in each sentence and tick the correct verb of the ones given in brackets. The people in my neighborhood are very helpful. Okay, people are, again it's a plural subject, so for that we are going to plural verb. The plants in the garden need or needs to be watered, so the answer will be need. All students except Susan plans to attend the school picnic. Plan. Okay, Simran wants to travel to Africa, so the answer will be wants. This book by A.K. Ramanujan have good stories. So A.K. Ramanujan is a singular subject, so we will use singular verb, that is has. Any student who is late to school are sent home. Any student is a singular subject, so for that we are going to use singular verb, that is. A few branches of the neem tree in my garden has broken or have been broken in the storm. Few branches, so have been broken. Branches are more, can be one. So branches are the plural subject. So for that we will use plural form of verb. Okay, this is all for today, children. In the verb we have studied the helping verb, main verb, and the singular plural concept, that with the singular verb singular subject we have to use singular verb, and for in the plural subject we have to use plural form of verb. Thank you, children. Have a good day.